Hey guys, so today I'm coming to you all natural with the natural hair and absolutely no makeup on, just me, natural. But today's video is going to be a no makeup type of makeup look, so I really hope you guys enjoy. So I'm taking my Beat Up My Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. It is Anastasia. It's the real Anastasia, okay? But I am taking my Anastasia. It's really done. I need to get another one. But I had this for years, literally years, like when I first started doing makeup. But I am going to be doing my brows. Guys, I love this brush too much. But I'm starting off with my brows. You already know I always start off with my brows. So yeah. So now my brows are done. I'm going to be cleaning them up with my concealer. This is my Elegant Pro concealer in the color Warm Honey. So I'm going to be taking my Warm Honey. Oh, my skin looks so vibrant. But I'm going to be taking my Warm Honey in my flat top concealer brush. And then I'm just going to be cleaning my brows. My eyebrows is done. I'm going to be taking my Elegant Pro concealer again. This is the same color Warm Honey, and I'm going to be putting this concealer on the like spots that I need coverage, like right here. I need some coverage right here, and right here, underneath my eyes. I am going to be taking my beauty blender. This is my dirty beauty blender, y'all. Y'all don't need to see it because it's so dirty. But I'm going to be blending this out. That I covered my dark spots, I'm going to be baking a little bit. I'm taking my LA Colors Translucent powder, and I'm going to be putting that underneath my eyes and normally where I would bake. I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance Contour Palette, and basically I'm just going to be contouring my face. Taking my big fluffy brush, I'm taking those two colors right here. You could tell I use this a lot, which I do every day. Well, when I'm wearing makeup, but I'm taking those two colors and basically contour my face. Taking my large eyeshadow brush, and I'm just basically going to be contouring my nose. Now I'm going to be taking the excess powder off my face. My MAC powder and basically setting everything that was put to my face. Taking my mascara, and I'm just going to be applying some mascara, and then I'm going to be applying my lashes. So I'm applying mascara first before lashes. To be taking that highlight and just applying it, you know what I'm saying? Just apply it. Taking this color right here, I'm going to be lining my lips with it. So now I'm taking my clear lip gloss, and I'm just going to be applying some lip gloss. That basically completes the whole natural, no makeup type of look, you guys.